When you're feeling a little fruity, and who among us hasn't on occasion felt a little fruity, don't be afraid to whip out a Skyy Raspberrytini. A Skyy Raspberrytini is a delicious blend of all natural berry flavors. It's raspberry, blackberry, and blueberry. Now, to make a berrytini, you're going to need the following ingredients: Skyy berry vodka, a martini glass, some cranberry juice, some lemon lime soda, and some berries. Me, I like raspberries. They're tiny, tart, and sweet. Take away, my friend.
First thing we're going to do is chill down our martini glass. Next, fill your shaker full of ice. We're going to add about an 8 count.
And if you're going old school, that's 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers.
Next, we're going to add about a 2 count of this.
If you're going old school, about 2 fingers.
Throw your shaker on, shake it on through, and at the same time, you can dump the ice in your cocktail glass, cocktail napkin, glass, give it a pop, strainer on, and pour.
Now, if I want to add a little razzle-tazzle to that drink, what can I do?
What I would do was add 7-Up or some kind of lemon lime soda. You don't want to add that in a shaker because the carbonation will blow it all over the place.
And then there's
The garnish. Raspberries.
It's like I always say, a drink is a drink, but a drink with a garnish is a cocktail. The Skyy Raspberrytini, full of fruity goodness.